There's one more technology which actually which is going to make sense to us while we talk on this, is that there is an amazing speed or an acceleration which we see in the market where customers are going and adopting cloud.
Right.
And cloud predominantly you see, especially in the startup community, where a lot of innovation is also happening in the cloud, and they're born in the cloud, right?
Yeah.
So when that happens, how does the integration of PowerStore actually work with the way things happen in the cloud? I mean, be it AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, how does it work?
Very interesting question again. See, in today's world, like what rightly mentioned by you, every customer is looking towards cloud, right? Either one part of the workload or majority of his workloads are adapting to the cloud.
Right.
Right. So it becomes very important for us to integrate and show the path to the customer in terms of how we can seamlessly integrate the workload, where he can get the agility,
right,
of moving his workloads either from cloud to on-prem or on-prem to cloud or cloud to cloud. So this is where PowerStore plays a very, very important role. Right? We allow customers not to get locked inside one cloud, and we give that agility by integrating with the VMware Cloud Foundation.
Right.
By natively, if customer really wants to move his workload from cloud to on-prem or on-prem to cloud or cloud to cloud,
right,
natively PowerStore can do it, and this doesn't come at additional cost. All it is natively inbuilt and gives that flexibility. This way, customer doesn't get locked in. Second, as and when his workload demands, if he wants to really get that workload to on-prem to ensure that he gets a better response times, better SLAs, better securities, right, and better way of handling the things, then obviously he can seamlessly move it, and with zero disruption, all this can happen. That's the kind of integration we are providing, and this is not with one cloud vendor. Name any cloud vendor. Right, I think the highest amount of compatibility of clouds is there with the VMware Cloud Foundation,
right,
and tightly integrated with our PowerStore.
Very right. So basically, what is happening in this case is that
customers are able to
get that on-demand kind of elasticity.
Absolutely,
in terms of,
on-demand,
having a lot of
right.
storage.
See, these days cloud burst has become normal, right? Unanticipated workload, right? These times there should be always a flexibility in agility in terms of moving his workload. Or probably if additional workload is there, how does he put it on cloud?
Right.
So unplanned workloads, unplanned demands which are coming into that cloud integration becomes really important. That's why PowerStore really plays a critical role.
Yeah, makes sense, because today is a world of multi-cloud environments,
yes,
and
absolutely.
Keeping this in place, your on-prem part is actually taken care of pretty well, and then again the balance of having workloads happening going across various cloud is going to make a lot of sense to the customers.